In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a heat wave distortion effect that makes your footage look like it's being affected by hot air. This effect is often used for desert scenes, fire shots, or cinematic atmosphere. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Go to the effects panel and search for Turbulent Displace. Drag and drop it onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Start by adjusting the amount value. Now keep the amount relatively low so the distortion remains subtle. Now, increase the size value. This creates larger distortion waves, which help simulate heat waves in the air. Now, animate the evolution setting. Click the stopwatch icon next to evolution. Move forward on the timeline and increase the value slightly. This will create moving distortion waves across the footage. Play the clip and you'll see the image bending gently like heat waves rising from the ground. And that's it. There you've successfully created a heat wave distortion effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.